Want to make money using ChatGPT right now? Even if you have zero experience? In this video, I'll show you 3 ChatGPT side hustles you can start today. They're simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. This is CashBotPro, where we share AI tools and smart side hustles to help you earn online. Let's dive straight into 3 ChatGPT hustles that can start making you money this week. The first hustle is writing captions for social media influencers and small businesses. Most brands need daily posts, but don't have time to write them. With ChatGPT, you can generate 30 Instagram captions in under 10 minutes. Here's what to do. Search for Instagram coaches, e-com stores, or small creators. Offer to write a batch of captions. Charge $30 to $50 per pack. Use ChatGPT with prompts like, write 10 engaging Instagram captions for a skincare brand with a friendly tone. It's simple, fast, and easy to sell. The second hustle is writing YouTube video scripts. Faceless channels, business coaches, and even YouTubers with big followings often outsource their scripts. Here's how to do it. Use ChatGPT to create full scripts based on video titles. Join Facebook groups, Reddit forums, or Fiverr to find clients. Charge $20 to $60 per script, depending on the length. Example prompt, write a 5-minute script for a YouTube video titled, How to Start Dropshipping in 2025. If you do 3 scripts a week, that's $150 in your pocket. The third hustle is SEO blog writing. Websites need regular content to rank on Google, and most blog owners are happy to pay for well-written posts. What to do? Use ChatGPT to write 1,000-word blog posts based on keywords. Target niches like finance, travel, skincare, or tech. Offer packages: 1 post for $30, 3 posts for $75, etc. Use prompts like, write an SEO-optimized blog post about best budget travel tips for 2025 with headings and bullet points. Deliver content fast, and the demand is ongoing. Let's recap. Social media captions, $30 per client YouTube scripts, $20, $60 each. SEO blog posts, $30+ per post. Even with 2 to 3 clients per week, you could easily make $200 to $300, all using ChatGPT. Which hustle are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more ChatGPT earning tips. And if you want full tutorials on how to set up Fiverr gigs or attract clients, comment AI hustle below. See you in the next one.